10 apps to make money from your phone in the USA. In today's digital age, making money from your phone is not just a possibility, it's a reality. From taking surveys to delivering food, there are dozens of apps that can help you earn extra cash right from your mobile device. In this video, we'll share 10 apps that can help you make money from your phone in the USA. 1. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a free rewards program that lets you earn points for taking surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and more. You can redeem your points for gift cards or cash via PayPal. 2. Survey Junkie. As the name suggests, Survey Junkie is a survey site. You'll get paid for sharing your opinions on various products and services. 3. InboxDollars. InboxDollars pays you for completing a wide range of tasks, from taking surveys to watching videos to reading emails. You can get paid via PayPal or choose gift cards from popular brands. 4. Dosh. Dosh is a cashback app that automatically gives you cashback every time you make a purchase with a linked card at participating stores and restaurants. 5. TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is a platform that connects you with people who need help with various tasks, from cleaning to moving to home repairs. You can earn up to $60 per hour. 6. Uber Eats. If you've got a car, you can earn money driving for Uber Eats. You'll deliver food from local restaurants to customers in your area. 7. Instacart. Instacart is a grocery delivery service. You can earn money shopping for and delivering groceries to customers in your area. 8. Postmates. Postmates is a delivery service that lets you earn money delivering food, drinks, and other items from local stores and restaurants. 9. Airbnb. If you have a spare room, you can rent it out on Airbnb. You can earn up to $1,000 per month, depending on your location. 10. Freelancer. Freelancer is a platform that connects you with businesses and individuals looking to hire freelancers for various tasks, from writing to graphic design to coding. There you have it, 10 apps that can help you earn money from your phone in the USA. Try them out and let us know which ones worked best for you. Want to learn more? Visit our channel ZZ.